Hi, this morning I would like to talk about the recent trip to Hokkaido, Shiretoko Peninsula. We fly from Chubu Central Airport to Kushiro. I forgot the name. They have the special name for the airport. And the main, that is 2 nights and 3 days trip. And originally I wasn't in favor of the trip itself. Well, I am not so excited about going to new places and impressed with the new scenery and what else? Food and what is the pleasure of trip. But my wife planned to go there with her sister's family. I mean, sister and her husband. So both couples went there together. The main the feature of this trip, I guess, is whale watching. And that was the second day we went to sea. Getting on the boat and went to the halfway between the Shiretoko Peninsula and Kunashiri Island, halfway, because the other half, the Kunashiri is right now belong to Russia, and it took a little or about 1 hour to go there. And according to the captain's explanation, around the spot where the whale is gathering, and according to his explanation, that area, because of the flow of the water, the whale is trying to catch the fish. And I was surprised to hear that the whale is not good eyesighted. Their eyesight is very poor, and because of that, when they catch or try to find the bundle of fish or the group of fish, they dispatch the sound, and because of the maybe reaction of the sound, they find the exact place of the fish, and that sound is the key point when the whale is coming up. The boat, our boat, the captain, according to his explanation, is trying to catch, maybe from the bottom of the boat, trying to catch the sound of the whale dispatching this noise or sound, and it sounded like how to say, it's a sound like hitting the wood or metal, maybe more like a metal, click, 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 click. And according to him, his explanation, it is not the sound of our boat. It is the sound that the whales dispatching the sound. And more than that, he said, right now we hear the three sound from the three whales, three different distance, different direction, he said. And also he mentioned that the whale, after breathing, when they go down 400 meter, about 400 meter down the surface, they were in the under the surface or underwater about 40 minutes. So our time is going to that point 1 hour, about 1 hour, and stay there maybe 30 minutes and coming down to the shore 1 hour or less than 1 hour. So he said within this 30 minutes, if the whale will not come out so that they can breathe, he said the whale breathes, they will flash up the shiofuki 7 or 10 times, and then we can see if we are lucky. And the first one we saw was far away near the Kunashiri Island. The staff of the boat found the shiofuki, and we were trying to find the spot he mentioned, and I think I was able to identify the shiofuki. But the second one was very, very close, because this captain explained the sound is stopped right now, so the one of the whale near the boat will coming up, and we were trying to find it, and finally it comes up and try to breathe. When they breathe, the water will flash away, and 7 or 10 times. And according to his explanation, the last time when the whale recover the breathing, then the final time they will, in order to go down directly, down the sea, they will, how do you say, the tail fly up and going down. So that is the final point, the final action of the whale, and we were able to see the big, the flap of the tail and going down, and I was so glad because I didn't know those shiofuki action or breathing action, or the whale try to catch the fish by the sound, how do you say, I don't know. Anyway, using the sound, and because of reaction of the sound, they try to find the gyogun, a group of fish. And it was so near, so I asked the staff, I feel that is about 100 meter from the boat, and but exactly how far is it? And according to his explanation, it is about 200 meters. Well, on the boat, on the, how do you say, the big ocean, the distance is so close. It looked like 100 meters to me, but he said, well, one of the staff was a female, young girl. She said it's about 200 meters. So I was very, very impressed and excited about that. This is the number one excitement during the two and a half day trip. That is all.